tractors or telehandlers, and then when you get into this one, why is it not going? And it's all coming out. Need to leave a little bit for another shed. So hard to judge how much is left. I love how I've got like my winter clothes on and then I've got my sunglasses on. It was sunny this morning. It was a lovely sunrise. I'll insert a little clip here because it was gorgeous.